Okay, so today I'm just going to show you the ST75.1, which can create really thick foam. We've got two versions of this. There's a brass and a stainless steel version. This is the stainless steel version. Much like the ST75, it creates thick foam, but this uses a mesh membrane inside to agitate the chemical and the air and the water to create the foam. So effectively it can be serviced and the mesh can be taken out if you've got clogging and you're not getting the correct sort of foam coming out. And this particular stainless steel version would be used in food factories to spray foam for open plant cleaning. And what the foam does, it sticks to surfaces and the cleaning chemical gets more time on the surface for cleaning, and it also reduces the amount of water used as well. And the air comes in through, is drawn in through the front of the product to create the thick foam. Now the great thing about the ST75.1 is that the membrane inside, if for some reason the foam you're getting is watery, not to the consistency that you require, it's potentially the membrane inside maybe getting clogged up with some of the cleaning chemicals that you've been using, as we do recommend to rinse these foam heads thoroughly after each use, but sometimes perhaps that's not happening, so the membrane might get clogged up. So these can be quite easily removed, rinsed and cleaned by simply pushing out the pins on the foam heads, which is really easy. I'm just using a punch here, and then it simply screws off. So I'm just using some long nose pliers here just to remove the membrane. And all you would do is just check that to see if it's clogged. Can potentially get clogged with cleaning chemicals if they're not rinsed thoroughly after each use. But yeah, you can check that. You can rinse it, preferably with hot water, make sure it's nice and clean, and then simply roll it back up, place it back in the foam head. Dead easy. Just push it back in there. Put the pins back in. And you should be good to start cleaning again. If you do have any further problems, that is, you can screw off the bottom of the foam head, and there is an aerator nozzle in there, and you'll also notice a O-ring. You just check to make sure that O-ring's in the correct position and that there's no blockages in your nozzle. That should just look nice and clean. And that simply just screws back on. You can screw that back on hand tight. And then you're good to go. You're good to start cleaning again.